Guys, it's early in the morning. No, actually it's 11 and I was just woke up for like 2 hours ago, and this is what I received this morning. Thank you so much for this. It's a thriller books. Thank you so much. And of course, John Grisham. Who doesn't know him? I love him. Okay, so why? I want this one to read this morning. Because it's cute, you know. It's detective. It's Grisham, baby. It's Grisham. Right? So, you know. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.